Alright guys, so today Bitcoin just made a new yearly high. Now a lot of people here are getting more FOMO. FOMO is lurking here guys in the market, and a lot of people as well missed the Solana rally, and I'm guessing a lot of you here guys are wondering where is the best next entry here on Solana. So this is what we're gonna discuss here in this video guys. With no further ado, let's get into it. Right now here guys, Solana is consolidating here after a huge massive rally that we've seen recently. Now this is a descending triangle, and usually those descending triangle guys, they do break to the upside, and I say usually as well here. It depends on Bitcoin. Now we just seen Bitcoin put a new yearly high going into a weekend, so here guys we do want to wait for that Monday to come, and especially we want to see that weekly candle closing green like we are seeing here. And as you can see here guys, Bitcoin on the weekly is not stopping, and if you've been following me on my channel, I told you guys we're either gonna see 40k and then a huge correction, or we're gonna correct from here towards the 30k. But overall we would still need to see a huge correction coming into Bitcoin after this huge rally guys. Sooner or later a correction gonna come, and this is gonna be that entry point that everyone is waiting for here guys, because let's be clear here guys, a lot of people are sidelined. A lot of people have missed the majority of this year rally, and especially on Solana recently picking up some fame, picking up some attention, especially after this huge rally we've seen since it broke out of that $30 mark. We've seen a 130% pump on Solana. So I'm guessing Solana here has proven itself to be a really interesting investment for the bull market. So now here guys, as I said, this descending triangle usually breaks to the upside, and not only that, we have another bullish structure here, which is the lower high lower low structure here on Solana, which means we're just gonna keep going higher. And this as well guys depends, as I said, on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin here closes green and we see more continuation to the upside from Bitcoin, we're likely gonna break to the upside. And I want you guys to not FOMO. If you are not already in Solana, if you don't already own bags, you don't want to FOMO here guys. Now the whole market is overextended, as I just said, and a correction is sooner or later gonna happen here guys. So you want to be really cautious here. Don't let FOMO here play with you. And as I said, if you're already in Solana, congratulations guys, we're seeing this huge rally and the structure is still unchanged, higher highs, higher lows, and very likely we're gonna see a breakout here from this descending triangle here on Solana. Now here guys, when it comes to those juicy entry points here on Solana and what we are looking at here. Now recently here guys, after we've seen Solana breaking out from this accumulation, and we have as well this $30 mark here on Solana. As you can see here, this region or this area guys has been a support and a resistance for a long time here on Solana here, and as soon as we broke below, we've seen a huge retracement, and then it acted as a resistance for a while. As you can see here, 3 taps, then we broke above it. Then it would make sense guys, if we do get a huge correction in the market, that this would be a massive buying opportunity, coupled with that trend line or that uptrend we've seen here going throughout the year on Solana, before guys we see higher prices on Solana, and we could then target the all-time highs on Solana. Now a lot of people are FOMOing right now in the market, are feeling left behind because of what we are seeing recently with Bitcoin rallying and just putting in a new yearly high today. Now guys, you need to understand that it is still very early in the crypto space. Now usually coins like Solana, Cardano, ETH, those top 20 or 25 coins by market cap are not the coins you want to be looking at, especially if you want to make it big in the crypto space, and especially if your capital is low and you want to make those huge gains. Now usually what you want to do is look into the ecosystem and Solana's ecosystem as well. Now if Solana rallies, the whole Solana ecosystem is going to rally. And if you're familiar with DeFi, the Solana swap that people use to buy coins on the Solana blockchain is called Radium, and it has a coin which is its own DeFi coin, which is called Radium, and it's still on its early stages. And here we can see a difference here, guys, is that this coin still has not broken above its own consolidation here that we see here, guys. And you can see here that the risk reward ratios are pretty higher than those of Solana. So if Solana do see a retrace, and Bitcoin as well sees a retrace, now here if we manage to get in the middle of that consolidation phase, let's say here towards the all-time high on Radium, we could almost be close to a 100x on that coin. And that's the huge difference here, guys, or the big difference that makes when you are looking into the crypto space. Whenever one of the top 25 coins starts rallying, you want to be looking in their ecosystem and you want to be catching those low market cap coins. So here, guys, Radium is on my radar when it comes to Solana, and it would be wise to keep Radium on your radar as well, guys. Watch for any dips on that coin, as if Solana is bullish, as we are seeing right now by the bull market, this Radium is pretty much set to go back to that all-time high, and it is almost a 100x here if we go slightly above the all-time high. Now the next one, guys, is a meme coin, which is Bonk, guys. Now Bonk recently has also seen some massive rallies. Now we can see here this is astronomical, guys, and that's why I do love meme coins. This is by far a 30, almost a 30x here, guys, on Bonk alone, and Bonk as well is on the Solana blockchain. Now as well, Bonk is on the radar for any dips we get on Bonk. If Bitcoin retraces, Bonk as well would be that low market cap coin I'll be looking at on Solana. So as you can see, guys, even if you're feeling FOMO, it's still early. Maybe it's a bit late on Bonk, but you should know that the market cap is still pretty low. Bonk market cap is still around $200 million. So anything below $100 million on Bonk will be a massive opportunity as here on Bonk, as it is as well one of the strong coins on the Solana ecosystem. So I hope, guys, this makes sense for those that are feeling FOMO right now, and for those that feel left behind with this recent rally. Now Solana, granted, is a strong coin and would be a nice coin to hold for the bull market as well. And as I said, the $30 mark is where I would be looking to add more on Solana here, as I've been buying way before on Solana when we had the true bear market last year. And as I said, guys, we want to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Now so far here, guys, we see Bitcoin looking strong here with these weekly candles. Very likely we're gonna see 40k first, and then we could see a massive dump afterward. Now guys, I hope this is clear and helps some of you here fight and resist that FOMO. And as usual, guys, this is my humble opinion, nothing is financial advice. And for my guys trading derivatives, check out FairDesk. You don't need no KYC and no VPN to trade on this exchange. You get up to $35,000 bonus on your deposit, and you become as well a VIP 5, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced compared to other exchanges by using my link. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. Now again, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.